Hey guys, this is Robert again, back in Crockett. I found another truck I want to talk about. All you rat guys, you know what I'm talking about. When I see a rat, I go crazy. So I'm gonna look at this, show you this rat truck a little bit. It's an International and Willis. I say Willis Jeep. So I'm gonna let you look at it, and then we talk to the owner about it. So here we go. '48 Jeep truck. And I just like these old original trucks. This truck here is made so he can drive it on the road. Drove it up here, and he's done a little bit of customized work. But hey, I've seen some of our guys on Rat Nation here that love these old trucks. So you always see it when I see an old Jeep to poke it on there. Well, here we go. Take a look at the inside. Let's just see how it's done. And good custom work. I like that. Keep it somewhat original, and yeah, nice. I like this. Yeah, I like the work. I like the work. I like the original. Sure do. I love it, man. I know some of you Jeep guys are going to say, I like the way he done the exhaust too. Run the exhaust down over the frame like that. That looks cool. I got a local guy here in town that does some exhaust work like that too. I'll have to put it on my description for you. Back off and give you a look shot here. Come on, Mr. Rogers, talk to me about your Jeep. All right, sir, how you doing, man? What's your name?
Pretty good. Roy Rogers.
Roy Rogers.
Out of Groveton, Texas.
Groveton, Texas.
Yes, sir. Yes,
welcome to Rat Nation.
I love it.
Glad you're here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little bit about it. I know you told me it's a 48 Jeep.
It's a
Tell me a little about
Jeep truck. I bought it about 3 years ago, and it took me about 6 months to put it together. Been driving it ever since, and it's been a chore, but it's been fun.
Done most of the work yourself, have you?
Every bit of it.
Yeah.
Every bit of it.
You know, we see a lot of Jeeps. We just don't see many 48s on the road nowadays.
You don't see many Jeep trucks.
No, you don't, and that's why I want to talk to you about it today. These, I like the way original. I like a little clear on it.
Yes, sir.
I like the way you got it. Motor, talk to me about it.
It's a 351 Windsor, 4-barrel, but I had a 350 in it, but I pulled it out and put the Ford in it because everything just clicked a little better. So
get it where you can go down the road too, right?
Chevrolet what pushes it.
Yeah, yeah. you know, these old trucks are getting more and more popular, and I think it's because we don't see many anymore.
That's right.
What do you think? You know, you're seeing most of them that's molested, you know, and they're tore apart, and you really get a good shot at them anymore like you do this.
Yep.
And they're still out there though.
Oh yeah.
Just have to dig through the woods.
Yeah, to find them.
Yes, sir.
Dig them out of the bushes.
Dig them out of the bushes. And so, what brings you to? How'd you come by this old truck?
I actually work in the San Antonio up there in the oil field, and I found this in the field over there, and old boy wanted to put up there and ask if he wanted to sell it. He said, "Yep, that's up $200." So I got my trailer.
Now that's a fine. That's a we call barn fines, but that'd be a yard fine, right?
Yep, $200. Had full of trash and whole 9 yards, and I said, "I'll be right back to get my trailer." So
yes, sir. You know, we see some trucks like this, but not very many of them are going down the road.
Yeah.
You see them, you know, either they're
on people's yards or make yard art.
Yeah, yard art is what I was going to say. Yard art is a real popular thing for these trucks, and some of them used back in the military.
Yeah, well,
so some of these.
I grew up. My grandpa had one. I was a little kid, and I've been hunting one ever since.
There you go.
I found one. I said I got to fix it up.
It means more that way, right?
Yeah,
it means more that way.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Rogers, I'll call you Roy if that's all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We appreciate you showing us your truck and interviewing us. Rat Nation is just kind of a YouTube publication. We go and look at these old trucks and interview, because what it is a matter for us is just to keep people doing it.
Yes.
There's a lot of stuff out there, and they're not hard to build.
No, I got several of them. I just ain't got around to it yet.
And you know, that's what makes it fun. So this encourages other people to get out, and people that look at our channel say, you know, that's just something I can do, and it just kind of keeps it going. Rat rods and Rat Nation go together. We like pretty stuff. We do most of stuff like this, rat rods, unusuals, bills, and so, man, I appreciate it. I appreciate you and appreciate what you do.
Thanks, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, we're back here now. We're at Crockett, Texas, and I'll show you a nice little truck. Appreciate y'all being here. Hey, guys, Rat Nation, you know, like it. I'm gonna keep bringing them to you. We're back from all this craziness, lockdowns, but we're still here. So we'll see you next time on Rat Nation. Take care, y'all.